Ideal Sash pet doors are easy to install. Both ends are spring-loaded to adjust to your window. You simply loosen the knobs to release the spring mechanism. Then you tighten them to secure it in place. Their sashes are easy to take out too. Loosen the knobs, but you might have to lift slightly to get to the bottom one. Compress one side enough to remove the sash, but tighten the knobs before you take it out to secure it in place. And that's it. If you have any questions, you can email us at sales@PetDoors.com.